Hi guys, this is Myley and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to unbox my first ever PR kit and it is from NUVIASIA. And yes, this is my first ever PR kit and first time ko din po na maging brand ambassador. So thank you NUVIASIA. So bakit ako may PR kit from NUVIASIA? So I am so happy to announce that I am one of the newest brand ambassadors of NUVIASIA. So, thank you NUVIASIA for my PR kit. So, sobrang thankful ako and I am so happy na kahit na first time ko maging brand ambassadress, pinili pa rin ako ng NUVIASIA. So, thank you NUVIASIA. So, hindi ko na din papatagalin. Let's have a quick background lang about NUVIASIA. So, NUVIASIA is positioned as an organic and vegan-friendly cosmetics, creating a brand concept of clean beauty for both skincare and color cosmetics. And also, they have 3 clean commandments. First is clean beauty, custom formula that is non-toxic and free from other harsh chemicals. So, syempre gusto natin na lalagay natin sa skin natin ay hindi makaka-irritate sa skin. Syempre, we care for our skin. And next is cruelty-free, of course. Syempre, their products were never tested on animals. Take note, dapat yung mga products din na ginagamit natin is never tested on animals. And lastly, vegan and eco-friendly. It is highly active and nourishing plant-based ingredients that is gentle on the skin and packaging that's sustainable for our planet. So hindi ko na din patatagalin, mag-unbox na tayo ng PR kit from NUVIASIA. So, as you can see, hindi ko pa talaga siya nabubuksan. So, itago natin tong address ko. Sure. So, ayan. So, we have here foundation and lip tints. And here, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. So, Nuvi Revealing Beauty with Nature. So, wow. Carefully formulated collection. Yes. Hello, Myley! Welcome to Nuvi family. We are so excited to see you using and experiencing our cosmetics and skincare products. We hope you will love it as much as we do and wear it with great pride. Enjoy unboxing. Of course, I will enjoy it and talagang gagamitin ko siya. So, thank you, Nuvi! So, as you can see, meron silang ganito. So, syempre, meron silang instruction. Per box siguro to. Per box. So, here, it is for Nuvi Super Potent Skin Regenerating Bundle. So, gagamitin mo daw siya for 60 to 120 days to make your skin totally exfoliate and become brighter. The recommended second treatment is Nuvi Skin Booster Bundle. So, I think yung next na box is yung Skin Booster Bundle. So, this one is for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin type. If meron kayong skin concerns like uneven skin tone, acne, dryness, fine lines and wrinkles, aging skin, acne scars, and pores, and loss of firmness and elasticity, so this one is for you. So this is the Super Potent Skin Regenerating Bundle. So, ang nakakaganda dito is meron sila talagang parang notes and details here para kung paano mo gamitin yung skincare. So, let's see kung ano ang content nitong Super Potent Regenerating Bundle. So, ayan. Wow! Super nice! Tada! So, this is the Super Potent Regenerating Bundle. We have in here the toner. Ayan, as you can see. Okay. It is the super potent exfoliating toner Reboot Plus Smooth. So 60 ml toner. Also, we have in here the 30 ml super potent clearing exfoliating serum. So, ayan. Nakakatuwa kasi green siya talaga, no? It's super green. Anyway, we have in here the sunscreen SPF 80. Wow! Meron din silang sunscreen. So, ayan. And also, meron din silang super potent perfect plumper cream. So, this is the cream, no? And lastly, meron silang ultra hydrating facial cleanser for cleanse, soothe, and hydrate. Another box from NUVIASIA. Ayan. So, meron ulit sila ditong mga instructions para kung paano mo siya gagamitin. So, this one is the Nuvi Skin Booster Bundle. So, this one is for sensitive, normal, dry, combination, and oily. So, skin concern, dullness, acne, dryness, fine lines and wrinkles, blemishes, acne scars, pores, and uneven texture. So, this one is for you, the Skin Booster Bundle. Kung yung isa green, this one is... ayusin natin para maganda siya. Kung kanina green, this one is orange. Orange. Ang arte, no? Orange. So, this is... ayan. So, one by one, this is the Glow Booster Toner for Reboot and Smooth. Ayan. And of course, meron din silang serum. This one is the Skin Boosting Intensive Hydration Serum. Ayan. And also, they have the sunscreen SPF 80 also. So, lagi silang may sunscreen. Siyempre, mas maganda yung may sunscreen ka pag sa skincare mo. And lastly, meron silang hydrating facial cleanser. Ayan. So, ang napansin ko lang, parehong yung box, yung bundle parehong may cleanser and defense gel cream na may SPF 80 and that is so nice. Yun lang ang pinagkaiba nila. Siyempre, may iba't iba silang toner and serum. So, this one is for skin booster and the other one is for regenerating your skin. Ayan. So, again, this is the Skin Booster Bundle. So, very nice, no? Can't wait to use this, actually. Can't wait to use this ASAP para makita natin kung ano talaga yung effect niya sa skin. So, this one naman, let's open it. Actually, meron na talaga akong lip tints kasi ginagamit ko na siya talaga. Meron tayong Freya. Ayan, that's the Freya. And we have here Celine. And meron tayong Bianca. So, ang ating collagen lip and cheek cream tint. Ayan. As you can see, super nice ng color. Meron tayong collagen cream to powder foundation. Okay, so gagamitin natin to sa next vlog. So, abangan. Meron tayong mga skin booster bundle. Meron din tayong super potent regenerating bundle. And of course, meron tayong lip tint. And meron din tayong cream to powder foundation. Ayan, cream to powder foundation. So, thank you, Nuvi, for this products. So, ayun nga, since meron tayong 3 new lip and cream cheek tint, hindi ko siya gagamitin. Why? I'll tell you later. Of course, meron ako ditong lip tint ko talaga. To be honest, bumili na ako before ako magkaroon ng PR kit. Why? Kasi na-curious talaga ako kung ano talaga, kung paano siya sa blush on and sa lip tint. And ginagamit ko na talaga siya sa work. So, ang ginagamit ko for blush on is the Charisse one. And ang ginagamit ko na lip tint is the Freya. Super nice siya and ginagamit ko na siya for a week now sa work. And hindi siya natatanggal agad. In fairness, kahit na nakamask ako. So, ayun. So, it's time for another giveaway. So, this time, it is a collagen lip and cheek cream tint from NUVIASIA. Diba dati nagpamigay tayo ng BTS light sticks sa One Lucky Army. This time, magpapamigay tayo ng 2 lip and cream cheek tint from NUVIASIA. All you have to do is like this video, share it to your friends, subscribe to this channel, and follow these accounts. And of course, if you're done, comment down done and your IG account. So, syempre, yung mechanics, makikita nyo lang din at the description box. So, 1 lucky subscriber will win this lip and cheek cream tint. We're done unboxing my PR kit from NUVIASIA. Thank you again, NUVIASIA, for giving me these wonderful products. If you want to know more about NUVIASIA, you can check their Facebook and IG accounts here. And of course, you can check out their products at Lazada and Shopee. So thank you again, my dear subscribers, for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog.